Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. It is a new year time, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform my Christmas set into a blingy set for my new year nails. I'm basically going to be showing you from step by step, from taking off the product to filling in my nails to doing the bling part. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, I am taking my safety bit. This is a coarse carbide bit that I purchased from a local nail supply store here in town. Highly recommend these bits if you guys have not used them. They are life-saving when it comes to going around the cuticle area. No worries about filing somebody's cuticle off and making them bleed. Highly recommend these. I will link something similar down below if I cannot find them on their website. Just taking that and filing off the previous design that I had for my Christmas nails. Super easy step, which can still be quite challenging doing it on yourself, surprisingly. Now with the same safety carbide bit, I am just taking down the length just a tad bit. I do like my nails extra long, so basically doing this is only refining the shape, not necessarily cutting them down. Now I'm taking my carbide bit as well and kind of just going around those lifting areas, and I kind of tried to take off the bulk of it off with that. Now I'm taking my sanding bit and actually getting rid of the lifting. I have very minimal lifting because I do take care of my nails and I do prep pretty well, I would say. So the lifting is very minimal, but I am going in with that sanding bit and removing all of that as best as I can. It can be a little tricky, but the less lifting you have, the easier it's going to be to get rid of that lifting. So highly recommend you guys focus a lot on your prep work so you guys don't have to deal with the removal of any of that. It can be really difficult at times. As you can see, it's not that hard. All I'm doing is going around buffing off the shine from my natural nail, and in that same movement I'm taking off that lifting. All right, now I am taking my cuticle bit. I purchased these off Amazon. I will link those down below so you guys can check them out. All I do is roughly go off my cuticle, and it basically files off that excess cuticle skin. It is super easy and I absolutely love that bit, so check it out if you guys are interested. I am taking my swipe from Young Nails and removing all that excess dust and just wiping all that off before I prime. I am using my protein bond from Young Nails as well. Highly recommend this. 2 coats of that. Next, I am taking my Cover Pink from Young Nails as well, and now I am going in and filling in my nails. I've been obsessed with this color ever since I discovered it, to be honest. It is one of those colors that is universal. It goes so well with everyone's skin tone, and it's like the perfect nude for anybody. I highly recommend this color. I am basically just gonna let you guys see how I do my fill. Okay, so I do want to add really quick that I did not file my nails on camera. I do my nails in between clients, so it gets really hard to record in between. So I kind of filed here and there as I could in between clients, like I said, so you will not be seeing that. We're going to go right into our crystals. These are from Blue Streak Crystals. I will link that down below. Use code VEE5, that's VEE5, for a discount on your purchase. You're gonna see me struggle a little bit. I never know what I'm doing on my nails. I've mentioned it before in my videos that I just kind of wing it as I go. Same with crystal placement. 90% of the time when I do crystals on any client, I just kind of wing it and hope for the best. You get the prettiest results if you kind of just go with it. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I had no idea what I wanted. I just know I wanted them super blingy. So I'm placing just crystals on this one off to the side, and I kind of just clustered them all together, fit different sizes and different shapes to where it fit perfectly. I ended up really liking this nail actually, so I'll be using that on some clients. It is kind of hard a lot of the time when they don't want really big crystals to kind of just go with whatever design you have in mind. I do think bling nails look so pretty with big crystals, and unfortunately not a lot of clients like those because a lot of the time, you know, they're easier to get caught on stuff. So I'm just going ahead and finishing that nail. And then for my middle finger, I did the exact same thing. I kind of just winged it, and you'll be able to see that here in the next part. So I did want to add the types of crystals that I used in this set. All Swarovski flat back crystals. Do not order the hot fix crystals. They are not for nails. I do not recommend those. So make sure they are flat backs when you guys are ordering your crystals online. I used a different combination of the regular circle crystals. I use different sizes of them. Whenever you get the sizing down, it's a lot easier. I don't remember them off of the top of my head. And I am using the chunkier teardrop crystals, the skinny teardrop crystals, and the diamond tiny crystals that I used. Like I said, all AB Swarovski crystals. Make the investment, you guys will not regret it. Swarovski crystals are the best, most shiniest crystals ever. All my clients love them. Definitely does not compare to those rhinestone knockoff crystals. So highly recommend you guys to be okay with spending a little bit more. It gives you the advantage that you can charge a little bit more for them. So highly recommend them. Check them down below if you guys want to order any of them. Now that we are finished with our crystal design, we are taking our glue and just going around to seal in that design. This basically concludes the video. I did top coat with not polish matte top coat. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.